Welcome to today's video. If you've ever wanted to start an online business with minimal investment, dropshipping might be the perfect model for you. In this video, we'll break down the basics of dropshipping, how it works, and share key tips for getting started with zero investment. Let's dive in and learn how to build your own dropshipping business. What is dropshipping? Dropshipping is an online business model where you sell products to customers without holding inventory. When a customer places an order, you purchase the product from a third-party supplier who then ships it directly to the customer. This eliminates the need to manage stock or handle shipping, making it a low-risk business model. The key benefits of dropshipping are minimal upfront costs, flexibility, and the ability to run the business from anywhere. However, it also comes with challenges like managing supplier relationships, competition, and lower profit margins due to reliance on external suppliers for fulfillment and shipping. How dropshipping works. Dropshipping is an e-commerce business model where you sell products to customers without holding any inventory. Instead of purchasing products in bulk, you partner with a supplier who handles the inventory and shipping. When a customer places an order on your online store, you forward the details to the supplier, who then ships the product directly to the customer. You keep the difference between the retail price you charge your customers and the wholesale price you pay the supplier, which becomes your profit. This model eliminates the need for upfront investment in products, making it accessible to those with limited funds. While dropshipping offers low risk and flexibility, it does require strong marketing skills, as you'll need to drive traffic to your store through social media, SEO, and other strategies. However, success depends on choosing the right niche, finding reliable suppliers, and providing excellent customer service. Choosing the right niche. Choosing the right niche is crucial for the success of your dropshipping business. A niche is a specific market segment that you target with your products. To select the right one, focus on a niche that has demand but isn't oversaturated with competitors. Look for products that solve a problem or appeal to a passionate audience. Research trends using tools like Google Trends or social media to identify popular niches. It's also essential to choose a niche that interests you, as this will make marketing and managing your store easier. A well-chosen niche can lead to higher sales and customer loyalty. Finding suppliers. Finding reliable suppliers is a key step in dropshipping. The supplier is responsible for storing and shipping products directly to your customers, so it's important to choose wisely. Popular platforms like AliExpress, Oberlo, and Spocket can help you find trusted suppliers. Look for suppliers with high ratings, positive reviews, and a track record of timely shipping. Evaluate their product quality, shipping speed, and customer service to ensure a smooth operation. Communication with suppliers is crucial for resolving issues, ensuring stock availability, and discussing returns. A reliable supplier helps maintain customer satisfaction and supports your business growth. Setting up your online store. Setting up your online store is a critical step in starting a dropshipping business. Begin by choosing a platform like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Wix, which offer user-friendly tools for building an e-commerce website. Customize your store's design with a clean, professional theme that reflects your niche. Add high-quality product images and detailed descriptions to attract customers. Set up secure payment gateways like PayPal or Stripe to process transactions. Ensure your website is mobile-friendly and easy to navigate. Finally, configure essential pages like shipping, returns, and contact to provide customers with clear information and enhance trust. Marketing your dropshipping store. Marketing your dropshipping store is essential to drive traffic and generate sales. Start by using social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok to promote your products. Post engaging content, collaborate with influencers, and use targeted ads to reach your audience. SEO, search engine optimization, is also vital for organic traffic. Optimize your website and product descriptions to rank higher on search engines. Email marketing is another effective strategy. Build an email list and send promotional offers or updates. Consider running giveaways or using referral programs to encourage word-of-mouth marketing and boost customer engagement. Zero investment tips. Starting a dropshipping business with zero investment is possible by using free tools and methods to minimize costs. One of the easiest ways is to use platforms that offer free trials or completely free plans like Wix, WordPress, or Shopify's 14-day trial. These allow you to set up an online store without upfront costs. Next, focus on organic marketing strategies. Social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok provide excellent opportunities for free promotion. Post regularly, engage with followers, and use relevant hashtags to increase visibility. By creating valuable content and showcasing your products, you can build a loyal following without paying for ads. Search engine optimization, SEO, is another key strategy. Optimize your website and product descriptions with keywords that your potential customers are searching for. This will help you rank higher in Google searches, bringing in free organic traffic. Additionally, leverage free tools like Canva for creating promotional materials, Google Trends for product research, and MailChimp for email marketing. Use platforms like AliExpress or Overload to find reliable suppliers without any cost. By focusing on free resources, you can grow your dropshipping business with minimal risk, allowing you to reinvest profits into paid marketing or expanding your product range later. Common mistakes to avoid. When starting a dropshipping business, avoiding common mistakes is crucial for long-term success. One common mistake is overestimating profits. Dropshipping often has lower profit margins due to reliance on third-party suppliers, so it's essential to set realistic expectations and focus on volume sales rather than large profits per item. Another mistake is choosing the wrong niche. Picking a niche that is too broad or overly saturated can make it hard to stand out. Focus on a specific profitable niche with less competition and a dedicated customer base. Ignoring customer service is another big error. Since you don't control fulfillment, it's easy to overlook customer concerns. However, offering excellent service, quick responses, and handling returns professionally will build trust and loyalty. Lastly, neglecting marketing can lead to poor traffic and sales. Don't rely solely on organic traffic. Invest time in social media marketing, SEO, and even paid ads to drive customers to your store. These mistakes can hinder growth, so avoid them early on. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this guide on starting a dropshipping business with zero investment helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips. See you in the next video.